Hi friends, welcome to physics class. Myself, I am D. Kishore, lecturer in physics from Government Degree College for Women, Siddipet. Today, we are going to discuss very important and very simple topic, that is logic gates. So this topic belongs to BSc Maths, that means BSc MPC and MPCS students in 6th semester. Okay, so let us start the topic. So here we are going to start, we are going to learn introduction to logic gates. Okay, let us start. So first we have to know what are logic gates. Generally, a logic gate is an idealized model of computation or physical electronic device implementing a Boolean function. A logical operation performed or one or more binary inputs that produces a single binary output. Okay, so generally logic gate means, so we are going to see here, generally logic gate means a basic building blocks of a digital circuit, that is data processing on the circuit is controlled using transistors. Output depends on the logic gate and the input. Input is one or two states, output is one of two states, that is high or low. There are three types of logic gates. Okay, see, I will explain. So what is logic gates? Logic gate is an electronic device, so it will do the functions of arithmetic operations. Okay, generally a logic gate has it takes one or more inputs, but it has only one output. So here logic means it will do the operations of arithmetic, that means addition, subtraction, multiplication, like operation, it will do that. So that's why we are calling these gates as logic gates. And simply a gate is a electronic device or electronic circuit. It has one or more inputs and only one output. Okay, next see here. So in this topic we are going to learn five logic gates. They are, in this, three are the primary logic gates, that is AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, and another two are the NAND gate, NOR gate. So totally there are five logic gates is there, and we have another more logic gate also, that is exclusive OR gate. So totally 6 logic gates are going to learn now. Okay, so let us start from the first logic gate, that is AND gate. See, so we have to know each logic gate symbol, truth table and circuit, and something and some more information about each logic gates. So first here see AND gate. In this diagram we are showing the symbol of AND gate. It has two inputs. So I will one second, I will show in here. So suppose this A and B are the two inputs and this is output. Okay, so we have two inputs and one output. So generally any logic gate, it has two inputs and one output also. So here, so these are the inputs. This is A and this is B and this is output. Okay, so this AND gate output will be A dot B. So that means, one second. Okay, AND gate output will be A dot B. A dot B means so it will do the multiplication operation. Suppose here we are showing A and B are these two switches. Suppose these two switches if on or off, so that will depend upon the output. Okay, so I will show the truth table also. So I will explain truth table. See here, suppose 1 and 0. Suppose I am taking 1 and 0. So we know that 1.0 means 0. So that means output will be not there. So next to this, similarly, suppose this taking I am 0, 1. So output 0.1 means 0. There is no output. Again, suppose I am taking 1 and 1. 1.1 means 1. That means output have. So simply we know that here 1.1 means two switches, that is A and B are is one state, then only output will be there. So we know, how we know that output is there or not? So when the bulb glows, that means there is output. If the bulb doesn't glow, that means there is no output. Generally here output will be know that so bulb, by using of this bulb. So next to, so I am showing another gate, another logic gate, so that is OR gate. So we are showing here OR gate. So it has also two inputs, that is A and B, and one output. So I will show here. So A, B, and this output will be so this is OR gate, and I will show here A, B is the input and A plus B is the output. So it will do the addition operation. Okay, suppose A is 1 and B is 0 state. 1, 0. 1 means on. See here, we are in the diagram we are showing two switches. So first switch, that is A, and second switch, that is B. Suppose A is 1 state and B is 0 state. 1 means that first switch on state, second switch is off state. That means 1 plus 0 means we know that 1. So that means output will be there. So again 0, 1 means output will be there. 0, 0 means that if the two switches are at off state, there is no output. And if it is 1 and 1, so output will be there. So okay, so these are the truth table and explanation about the OR gate. Okay, so OR gate will be do the function of addition operation, and AND gate, it will do the dot operation, that means multiplication. Okay, so these are the symbol and truth table of the AND gate and OR gate. So coming to the next logic gate, that is NOT gate. So generally all logic gates have two inputs and one output, but coming to this, it has only one input and one output only. Okay, and this NOT gate is also called as a logical inverter gate. So this gate is also called as logical inverter. Okay, so inverter gate. So why we are calling like this means, if we are giving any input, so it will do the opposite of this input. We will get opposite of the input. So suppose I am giving input as 1 and output I will get 0. That means if if I am giving low signal at input, if we are giving low input at the input, so we'll get a high signal at output. Suppose I am giving high signal at input, I will get a low signal at output. Okay, so see here, suppose I am giving 1 input, I will get 0 output. Suppose I am giving 0 input, I will get 1 output. So whatever it may be, so what is input, it will change into opposite. It will change as opposite. Okay, so generally that function here showed here. Suppose here, see, if you are giving high signal, I will get low signal output. So this is the input and this is the output. Suppose see, suppose I am giving high signal, I will get output low signal. So suppose I am giving so here the table shows what is where we are giving will get opposite to the input. S means no, true means false, 1 means 0. So that means opposite of the input will get it. And here we are showing again truth tables of each logic gates. First see here AND gate. So already we have seen AB is the inputs and Q means that is output. So output will be A dot B. So see in the see in the diagram. Suppose inputs AB are 0 0 means output also 0. See that is AND gate symbol and see the truth table. Suppose 0 0 means that 2 inputs of 0 state will get output 0. So here we have to know that AND gate will do the dot operation means multiplication. Okay, so this is the truth table of AND gate. So now coming to the next gate, that is OR gate. So here we are shown here the symbol of OR gate. So AB are the inputs and Q is the output. So here Q means that is A plus B. So in AND gate we are seeing that A dot B, here A plus B. So and truth table also. And once you see the truth table again, suppose AB inputs are both 0 states means 0. And here we have to know the any input will have one state. So that means output will be there. 0 1 means 1, 1 0 means 1, 1 1 means 1. That means any input have one state, that means it has the output. Okay, so now coming to the next logic gate, that is NOT gate. So we know that symbol of NOT gate. Okay, so A is the input and you know that it has only single input, single output. Okay, so whatever we are giving input, we will get the opposite to the input. Suppose A will be 0, the output will be 1, and A will be the 1 and output will be 0. Suppose we are giving high signal, we will get low signal, we will get true, that means we will get false, we will get low signal, we will get output high signal. Okay, so after that, so after 3 logic gates, that means OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, these 3 gates are called primary logic gates, called as primary logic gates. Okay, so now coming to the another logic gates, that means when we are combining logic gates, we will get another 2 logic gates, combining of logic gates. So we have 2 logic gates again more, that is a NOR gate and NAND gate and NOR gate. So NAND gate and NOR gate. So how we will get? So we will get these 2 NAND gate and NOR gate by combining of logic gates. Okay, so see in the diagram, one AND gate and one NOT gate. When we combine these 2 logic gates, one AND gate with one AND gate output will be combined with input of the NOT gate. So this is the combining of logic gates. So AND gate and NOT gate, we will get the NAND gate. Okay, so here we are shown here, this is the NAND gate symbol. So it is same like AND gate, but at the end of this AND gate we will get that is shown here C. That is a bubble or O at the back side of the AND gate. Okay, so here we have truth table also. So we are shown here truth table. Suppose here we have to know one thing, that NAND gate output will be A dot B whole bar. So that is we have to know A dot B. So AND gate output AB. So after we are combining NAND gate means the output will be A dot B bar. Okay. See. So AB C. Suppose AB means 0 0 means we will get A dot B. AB means C means output of the AND gate. Okay. So 0 dot means 0 and output NOT gate we are giving input that is 0, we will get 1 output. So that's why. So that is the truth table of this NAND gate. So very simple and very important of truth table. Okay. So coming to the another combining of logic gates, we will learn about. So here we are not shown here, but we have another more logic gate, that is a NOR gate. So when we are combined OR gate with NOT gate, OR gate with NOT gate, we will get NOR gate also. Okay. So what is the output of the OR gate? A plus B. And we are combining this NOT gate means output will be A plus B whole bar. Okay. So that is the about NOR gate. And coming, we have another logic gate also. So that is XOR gate. See, XOR gate. So that means exclusive OR gate. This is the final logic gate for our semester. In our semester we have only we learn only 6 logic gates, that is 3 AND OR NOT is the primary logic gates and universal logic gates NAND and NOR. So why we are calling these NAND and NOR as universal logic gates means, so these two logic gates, that is NAND and NOR logic gates will be used in more and more logic gates, or means electronic devices, means electronic circuits. That's why these two logic gates are called as universal logic gates. Okay, so one more logic gate, that is XOR gate, that is exclusive OR gate also is there. So see here, this is the symbol we have this side shown. I will show this is the symbol, and this is the truth table, and this is the Boolean expression. How I will explain it. See, so first symbol, see here, it is like also OR gate, but we have another curve at the input of this OR gate. So this is the symbol of logic gate, and coming to the output will be not A plus B, A plus circle B. So that means A dot B bar plus A bar B. Okay, and also simply called as A plus B dot A bar plus B bar. So this is the output of the XOR gate, simply called as A plus circle bar. Okay. So you are shown here input and output. Suppose A and B, the values is 0 and 0. So that means suppose substitute these 0 and 0 in A. So I will substitute here. 1 second. Suppose here I am substituting 0 bar plus 0 bar 0. 0 bar means 1 plus 0 bar 1 0. 0.1 means 0 plus 0 and 0. So total 0. So see here, the output will be 0 here. Okay. So that like, so we will substitute AB values as 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and we will get the output like 0 1 1 0. Okay, so these are the this is about the XOR gate, about the XOR gate. Okay, so again, once again, so we will see what we are learn here. So mainly we have to know what is logic gates. So coming to here, so what is logic gate? Logic gate is an electronic device which is used for arithmetic operation. That's why we're calling these gates are logical. Okay, and generally gate means it is an electronic device which has two inputs, two or more inputs and only one output. That is called a gate. Okay, and these gates or these logic gates will be operate by using of Boolean algebra. What is Boolean algebra? So Boolean algebra means so the scientist called named Boole. So he proposed a algebra that has only 0 and 1. So this algebra uses 0 and 1 as digits. 0 and 1 means here we have to know 0 means false, low, off state. 1 means high, on state. So that's why we are using here 0 and 1 as digits. Okay, so that means it uses only binary digits 0 and 1. Okay, generally any logic gate has 2 or more inputs and only one output. It has only one output. Suppose the output will be 1, that means high. The output will be 0, that means low. Okay, and here, so total we are learned already that we have in our syllabus total 6 logic gates. So they are 3 logic gates are AND gate, 3 logic gates, that is AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. These 3 are called as primary logic gates, and 2 universal logic gates, that is NAND gate and NOR gate, and another more logic gate, that is XOR gate or exclusive OR gates. Total 6 logic gates have in our UG syllabus, that is 6th semester syllabus, and in a 8th paper we have it have in a 8th paper 4th unit. Okay, so here we are shown the universal logic gates and primary logic gates. Generally any logic gate, so here we are shown the 2 inputs and 1 output. Okay, so AND gate will do the operation of multiplication, the OR gate will do the operation of addition. NOT gate, it is also known as inverter gate, and it will be opposite to the input signal, whichever we are giving to the input, that will do the or opposite to the input. So this is the AND gate symbol, this is the OR gate symbol, and this is NOT gate symbol. And the NOT gate is also called as logical inverter or inverter gate, because of it will change to opposite of the input. Okay, so that means here suppose we are giving high means low, S means no, true means false, 1 means 0. Okay, so and next we are shown here truth tables of logic gates. So AND gate truth table, later OR gate truth table, and later NOT gate truth table. Okay, so and mainly we have to know the combining of logic gates. So when we are combining 2 logic gates, that is AND gate with NOT gate, we will get NAND gate. Okay, so we are shown here AND gate, output is C, and this is combined with the input to the NOT gate, so we will get NAND gate. So this is same like as AND gate, but end of the AND gate we have one O or bubble of the logic gate, that is NAND gate symbol. Okay, and we have another combining logic gates, but we are not shown. Suppose we are combined OR gate and to a NOT gate, then we will get a NOR gate. Okay, so NAND gate, after we will get NOR gate, and this is the truth table of NAND gate, and similarly we have NOR gate truth table also. And another more, that is the final logic gate, that is XOR gate. So here XOR gate is same like OR gate, but we have another curve. So this is symbol, and the output will be A plus circle B. That means A dot B bar plus A bar B, and the truth table will be there. So this is all about logic gates, so which have in PSC third year. Okay, so thank you everyone. So Department of Physics, Government Degree College for Women, Siddipet.